Hello, in this video we're going to use application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that determines the third interior angle of a triangle if the other two interior angles have been provided. So let's click into the application Flowy14, and to our dashboard here we'll proceed to start designing our flow. To obtain the commands, you have to click the upper left corner where it says commands. This will bring up the left hand side menu with commands. You can search for them manually, or you can use this search option here. So the first command to begin designing our flow will always be the start command. So let's bring it to our dashboard. Next, for today's exercise, we'll need two input commands. So let's just type in the word input. And this should bring our input command to be one of the top available commands. So we need two of these. Next, we'll need two of our mathematical commands. So let's just type in the word math. By design, they come with a plus sign, which this is the one that we need in this case. The next one will be a minus, subtraction. So let's add another of these mathematical commands. And while we have it highlighted, you can see the options here down below. And in our case, we need the subtract option. So click the subtract, and the plus sign changed into subtraction, minus. And so now that we have our commands for the action commands added, we need the output command to print the results. Just type in the word output. And once you're ready with the design of our flow and you want to close it off, just add the command end. So we've designed our flow. On the subtraction here, we need to enter 180 because this is the amount of angles. From 180 will be deducting the addition of the two provided angles to determine the third interior angle of the triangle. So let's turn the inbound data connector, the blue one. The blue ones are available for any numeric input. So when you click into them, the calculator will show up. All right, so now we're ready to connect our commands. So we'll connect each of the input commands into our addition command here. So let's click into the first input command, into the green area, which is the one and only available outbound data connector. So once you click into it, you will see the available with plus signs inbound data connectors. We want to have it connected to one of the inbound data connector on our addition command. So once you click off of the design, you can see that the yellow arrow indicates how the commands have been connected. The same exercise we'll perform on the second inbound input command. Click into it, click into its outbound data connector, and click into the second available inbound data connector on the addition command. So click off of the design and you will again see our second yellow arrow indicating how we've connected the second input command into our addition command. And so now that we have both sides of the triangle, both angles of the triangle are given, we'll need to, and we have them added, we will need then subtract the sum of it from 180 degrees. So click into our addition command into its outbound data connector and into the inbound data connector on our subtraction command. So now that we have determined the third interior angle of the other, whilst we have the other two angles provided, we'll need now print our results, so we can connect the command, the subtraction command, to our output command through its outbound data connector to the inbound data connector on the output command. Okay, so now that you've designed your flow and you've connected the commands, you are ready to execute the flow by clicking the run option. So we are being prompted to enter the first angle of our triangle. We'll choose 6. And for the second, we can choose 8, enter. So it's adding, then it's subtracting, and that's our third angle. So thank you for your attention. This concludes our exercise that Flowy14 application can write an algorithm that determines the third interior angle of a triangle where the other two interior angles have been given. Thank you.